we have prepared a delicious dessert recipe for you. We present to you. Let's first give the list of ingredients and the amount. Then let's get into the preparation. Makroudh tunis. For dough, semolina 1 kg, flour 250 gram, dates 250 gram cold removed, cloves or 10 gram of dry orange peel, olive oil 250 ml, pinch of salt, a pinch of sesame seed, oil 1/4 liter. For the serum, granulated sugar 1 kg, water 1/4 liter, lemon 1/4 piece. Preparation: 1 kg, 1/4 liter of water is added to the granulated sugar. After boiling for about 15 minutes, the juice of 1/4 liter lemon is added, and after about 10 minutes of boiling, it is taken from the stove. Pastry: semolina and flour are taken in a bowl. Slightly heated oil is poured over it. A pinch of salt is added. It is added and kneaded until it reaches the consistency of the elope. It is left to rest for about 30 minutes. Mortar: the peated dates are crushed. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, cloves, or dried orange peel powder and knead. Preparation: the dough is rolled out to a thickness of about 1 centimeter. Mortar is added on it and it is folded approximately 3 cm wide once. The folded dough is cut and the edge of the cut side is folded so that it does not open while frying. The folded dough is cut and the edge of the cut side is folded so that it does not open while frying. It is given a flat shape by pressing lightly on it. The resulting product is cut into 3 cm rectangles. In a saucepan, heat the olive oil. The cut pieces are fried in hot oil for 5 to 7 minutes until their color changes. The serum is reheated and the products extracted from the oil are added to the serum and left for 10 minutes. It is served by sprinkling sesame seeds on the product extracted from sherbet.